Dear students of Honours Second Year, this is Tahmina Madam. I hope you all are doing well and keeping up your studies as well. Today I am going to tell you about the Reformation period. You know, the Reformation period was a time when the Reformation movement happened. It was actually a religious movement. The word reformation means making changes to something with the intention of setting it back on the right path. It was also called the Protestant Reformation period. Protestant means the people who protest. Actually, the Protestant protested against the supremacy, corruption, and nepotism of the Catholic Church in Europe. Now let me tell you something about the background of the Reformation period, or why did it occur. You must know about the background of the Reformation period. To understand the Protestant Reformation movement, we need to go back in history to the early 16th century, when there was only one church in Western Europe, what we would now call the Roman Catholic Church, under the leadership of the Pope in Rome. In the year 1500, the church was very powerful, both politically and spiritually in Europe. The church had become an institution of political power. In those times, popes lived more like kings rather than spiritual leaders. The Pope of the Catholic Church was more concentrated with the worldly issues rather than the caring for the souls of the faithful. The corruption of the church was well known, so several attempts had been made to reform the church. Then Martin Luther, who was a German monk and professor of theology at the University of Wittenberg, challenged the actions and the practices of the church. Luther sparked the Reformation in 1517. His efforts to protest some practices, we may call it malpractices, of the Catholic Church and to reform that church came to be known as Protestant Reformation. The Reformation was a very violent period in Europe. Each side, both Catholic and Protestant, were often absolutely certain that they were in the right and the other side was doing the devil's work. Effects. You must know the effects of the Reformation period. The Reformation was a time in Europe where people began to question the authority of the Catholic Church. Ultimately, the Protestant Reformation led to democracy, capitalism, individualism, civil rights, and many of the values we cherish today. The Protestant Reformation increased literacy throughout Europe and aroused a passion for education. Thank you, dear students.